15 healthy foods with more sugar than a can of Coke. When it comes to making healthier food choices, one of the best things you can do for your overall health and your waistline is to cut back on sugar. It's why we created the Zero Sugar Diet and the 14-day No Sugar Diet to help people curb their sugar cravings and demolish their sugar addiction for good. Obvious sweet treats like cookies, cakes, and soda are easy enough to pick out and avoid, but what about the secret sugar bombs lurking in your healthy meals and snacks? Many seemingly diet-conscious salads, smoothies, and sauces contain more sugar than a can of soda. If you really want to work on slashing the sweet stuff from your diet, take a peek at these deceptive menu choices, all of which have more sugar than a can of Coke, 39 grams, to learn what items you need to avoid the next time you're choosing a drink, snack, or meal. 1 smoothie, 20 Oz, 380 calories, 0 grams fat, 0 grams saturated fat, 10 milligrams sodium, 97 grams carbs, 4 grams fiber, 83 grams sugar, 1 gram protein. This fruit-based beverage may sound innocent enough, but even its smallest size contains more sugar than 2 cans of Coke. In order to get that tropical taste, Smoothie King combines bananas in a papaya juice blend and throws in some turbinado sugar to sweeten the deal. Bananas and papayas both have quite a bit of natural sweetness, and condensing them into liquid form plus adding more sugar means multiple fruit servings worth of sugar, all blended into one ominous cup. 1 medium lat, 14 Oz, 340 calories, 9 grams fat, 7 grams saturated fat, 160 milligrams sodium, 56 grams carbs, 0 grams fiber, 49 grams sugar, 10 grams protein. Chai lattes are deceptive. While the spicy tea variety itself is filled with antioxidants, lattes made with concentrated syrup are an entirely different story. The first ingredient listed in Dunkin Donuts vanilla chai powder is sugar, so it's no wonder that even a modestly sized latte has close to 50 grams of the stuff. Learn what you should order at Dunkin Donuts by checking out Healthy Breakfast Nutritionists Order at Dunkin Donuts. 1 parfait, 10.2 Oz, 380 calories, 10 grams fat, 4 grams saturated fat, 170 milligrams sodium, 68 grams carbs, 3 grams fiber, 48 grams sugar, 11 grams protein. Blueberries are a bona fide superfood, but the only thing super about this blueberry parfait is its sugar content. Au Bonpain's blueberry yogurt is sweetened with corn syrup, and their granola contains both brown sugar and maple syrup, all of which account for the parfait's cavity-inducing amount of sugar. 1 entree, 530 calories, 34 grams fat, 5 grams saturated fat, 1 gram trans fat, 2090 milligrams sodium, 57 grams carbs, 9 grams fiber, 35 grams sugar, 4 grams protein. Most in the no dieters are quick to avoid sweet and sour chicken and general so's because they are high in sugar, but what about eggplant? At P.F. Chang's, this usually healthful vegetable gets coated in a sauce with over 40 grams of sugar, as well as 23 grams of fat. Stick to the steamed version of Butter's Feast if you want to slash calories, sugar, and fat in one fell swoop. 1 entree, 1,340 calories, 107 grams fat, 17 grams saturated fat, 0 grams trans fat, 1,270 milligrams sodium, 70 grams carbs, 13 grams fiber, 48 grams sugar, 33 grams protein. Each of the namesake ingredients in this dish is super healthy, but unfortunately combining them into this entree is a major diet don't. One serving contains close to 50 grams of sugar and well over 1,000 calories, which is exactly what you want to avoid if you're trying to diet. Even if weight loss is not your goal, no one needs the kind of major blood sugar spike and crash that will come from polishing off this innocent-sounding dish. 1 entree, 1,310 calories, 84 grams fat, 13 grams saturated fat, 2,230 milligrams sodium, 93 grams carbs, 11 grams fiber, 47 grams sugar, 51 grams protein. Salads are often a healthy option, but this is the last thing you want to pick if you are trying to eat light. While breaded chicken and crispy noodles aren't doing this dish any favors, the main problem with this meal is the sugar-laden dressing. No other salad on Applebee's menu is close to the same high sugar content, so be sure to avoid the Oriental chicken at all costs. 1 bottle, 290 calories, 0 grams fat, 0 grams saturated fat, 20 milligrams sodium, 68 grams carbs, 0 grams fiber, 57 grams sugar, 2 grams protein. Eating an entire mango, nearly 2 apples, half an orange, and a third of a banana in one sitting seems close to impossible, but that's what you're getting when you suck down one of these smoothies. Even though the ingredients themselves are wholesome, no one needs this much fruit sugar at once. 1 bowl, 490 calories, 10 grams fat, 3 grams saturated fat, 40 milligrams sodium, 99 grams carbs, 11 grams fiber, 67 grams sugar, 8 grams protein. Acai bowls may be a buzzy food trend, but many come with quite a high sugar price tag, and Jamba Juice's version is no exception. Honey, granola, bananas, and the acai juice blend itself all play a role in upping the sweetness factor of this bowl, which contains nearly 70 grams of sugar. 1 smoothie, 24 Oz, 250 calories, 1.5 grams fat, 0 grams saturated fat, 40 milligrams sodium, 60 grams carbs, 6 grams fiber, 46 grams sugar, 5 grams protein. Opting for a smoothie made with veggies doesn't guarantee a low sugar content. Even though this beverage from red mango is made with plenty of spinach, it is also blended with orange juice, bananas, and mangoes, all of which are high in sugar. 1 salad, 1,220 calories, 84 grams fat, 19 grams saturated fat, 1,770 milligrams sodium, 82 grams carbs, 10 grams fiber, 52 grams sugar, 40 grams protein. Another innocent-sounding salad that really isn't so innocent after all. The combination of dried cranberries, glazed pecans, and orange slices all contribute to the salad's sweetness. Once again, a generous coating of dressing accounts for a great portion of the entree's 52 grams of sugar.